ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੱਟਿਆ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੱਟਿਆ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੱਟਿਆ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਪੱਟਿਆ
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Little Long Journey by Sam and Jess. As you see guide map of Chandigarh, guess where we are in Chandigarh exactly. So in Chandigarh I'll take you to the bird park. Before we move ahead, please kindly subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's start with the beginning. As you see, Sam is buying tickets for us and tickets are at very good price. They are very cheap. You can buy them for adult at 50 and child for 30 rupees. So let's go inside. Actually, it is a Department of Forest and Wildlife. UT Chandigarh has 12 Chandigarh Birdpark at Nagar 1 just behind Sukhna Lake, for awareness among general public towards bird conservation, especially the minds on nature education. Sam is getting pictures. So Shrimati Savita Kovind inaugurated the bird park on 16th November 2021. The bird park has been created for the exotic birds which are very common in India. So the structure is designed in a way that it surrounds thousands of plants wearing canopies, which gives an ideal habitat, food and shelter for their birds so that they can freely fly and they can breed themselves. As you see on screen, it's a Navgrah Vatika. Let's go inside. I show you how it's made. Actually, here are the all gray, and let's see which is first gray here, and they have the related plants to that in this field exactly there. Here it's a ketu, and they have the such the plants which are for the ketu gray, and next is shani, and here are the shani plants according to this gray. And last and next, which is this is rahu. They have here rahu related plants. And moving from Rashi 1 to next section, they are domestic Muscovy ducks, and they all are enjoying sun bath. And you know guys, they live up to 12 to 18 years, and they always consume weeds, grass, grains and all kind of insects and reptiles. That is a beautiful view. And as we move ahead, here it's a Nakshatra Vatika. Here are all the nakshatras. Main attraction of this park are African lovebirds, white swan, black swans, wood ducks, green winged macaw, African grey parrots, and you can see Navgrah Vatika, Nakshatra 1, Rashi 1. There are so many things to observe, so you can spend very good day here. Now here comes the main gate of Chandigarh Bird Park. Now let's enter inside the Chandigarh Bird Park. Guys, actually it took 3 to 4 hours complete journey of a bird park. But if you are a nature lover watching birds, then you can spend a full day here. Now here they are the birds. Actually, they are all kept in different kind of domes, and here are the lovebirds. Look, they are having their breakfast. They are having their diet. They are actually kept in a very safe and a fresh environmental zone. Their houses. As it is very newly built, the park currently have 550 exotic birds, nearly of 48 species. And next we are going to Swan Dome. It is beautifully built. Look how we enter. So Sam is ready to go inside and love to see what's kept inside. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the waterfall. Look at the fresh green leaves. A beautiful dome. Look, there are the swans. And now moving to the next dome, they have wheat duck. They also call black swans. Even this dome is also built very beautifully with the nice waterfall for the photo shoot. People are clicking their pictures just behind the waterfall. Look here, the black swans or wheat ducks are relaxing in the water. And you know guys, each and every dome is made beautifully. You can have very nice memories by clicking photographs, and you can have various videos as we did. Oh wow, what's that? That's rainbow lorikeets. Actually, in the sunny weather, they are looking so bright. Kids are actually enjoying. They love to see the birds. They love the creeping of the birds. And we came to the next dome. Here the birds are free to fly, and these are green winged macaw. Look, they are teal blue in color and very beautiful. It's actually worth seeing, very beautifully made. It's actually closed on Mondays and Tuesdays for maintenance, so please visit on another days except Monday and Tuesday. Look how beautiful the colors are. And as we move ahead, I saw this very sweet, beautiful African parrot. He doesn't get afraid. I was just in front of him. He was super cute. And now must see the second one will came, and how they share the beautiful bond. Actually, the one has something in his mouth, tiny mouth, and one wants to eat, and he ran towards another direction, but at last he will want to share, but it will fall from his mouth. It was super cute actually. And now it is the major attraction of the bird park, tamed bird section, winged wonders. Here you can have an opportunity to have a very close interaction with our feathered friends. They charge you 100 rupee for one time, and it's worth feeling. Very nice experience. The Sam is loving to have. So it was all the journey about Bird Park at Chandigarh, and after this you can spend some time at cafe area there, and must go with your kids or yourself. It's worth watching. Thank you.